What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm bleaching my roots. And yeah, I've got a lot of silver showing. I don't know if y'all can see that. No, I think you can see it. There's a lot of silver coming through. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm bleaching my roots and then I'm going to be using Strawberry Leopard's Prismatic Purple and just going all over with it. Why not? So yeah, that's what we're gonna do because I don't like to use toner. I like to do purple after I've bleached my roots, so that's why we're doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, and I'm gonna be using the Ion bleach that I usually use lately, and probably like a 20-30 volume, maybe somewhere in between there. So yeah. Might have noticed I did this whole half first and then I moved on to this half, which usually I do the whole back and then the front at the same time. But if you recall, several videos ago I used this No Bleach Bleach by Bright, and I just used it on this half of my head and it did lighten my roots a bit, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and do this whole half first so we can start processing and then do this half second because it was already a little bit lighter than this half of my roots. So that's why I did that. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for probably like 10-ish more minutes and then go ahead and rinse. Okay, slight change of plans. My roots are a little bit on the orange side, so I'm actually going to use on my roots the Strawberry Leopard Blue Steel just to make sure the orange is really covered and not poking through at all. I'll probably have to go over and bleach this again at some point, but not today. So yeah, that's the new plan. And I'm still going to go on the ends with the Prismatic Purple.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. shiny star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay.
Got it applied. I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, maybe 45, and rinse, dry, and come back with the results. Okay, here it is, and I love the prismatic purple color, but I hate the roots. I hate them a lot. It's like green. I was really thinking that blue would be dark enough to cover this, but evidently not. Yeah, I really hate the roots a lot. But the rest of it I think is really nice and pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about these roots because I can't go on like this for very long. I think I'm gonna end the video here, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's free ways for my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.